Hey everyone, this is Ryan B. with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for oil, UKOIL Brent Crude. The date is Sunday, February 21st, 2021. It is 7:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As you can see, bullish is my sentiment, meaning price action will continue to ascend. We can see here that even as I'm speaking, the daily candle is pushing for a retest of the 65 mark. Now, if we pull back and look at the recent high from last week and place a horizontal support and resistance line here, we can see price action is really testing this old support and resistance line that goes all the way back to 2019. But then if you keep scrolling back on this chart back to 2018, so this is a very significant price line, meaning which maybe price will push through it today and hold above this line, but we could see price move into this resistance zone and then see some profit taking and come back down to this ascending trend line before moving upwards more. So if I were to drag this out, now even if price were to dip all the way down to the 50 simple moving average of about 57, we can see that would still be on trend or uptrend. Price essentially moving at the very top of this range now. So you might not want to buy at the top of the range. Really, you want to look for a dip to the bottom of the range before you buy an uptrend. So let's go ahead and look at our weekly. So here's the weekly representation of this price action. You can see here last month that price tried to push through and then was rejected. So the second attempt is coming through, but this looks extremely bullish. We may see prices push right on through and sit on top of the 65 mark. So only time will tell. Price now moving above the 200-week simple moving average is a big deal. If we see that go back to November of 2017, that's when we saw our last big spike of price action when price moved above that 200 average. Stayed on top of that for a couple of years, then dropped below it in early 2020, and now is moving back ahead. So once again, my sentiment is bullish. I think we'll see the price of oil and gasoline, petrol, if you will, continue to rise over this year. So once price breaks through 65, the next resistance line would be here at 71, and we can see that breaks out pretty neatly into an equidistant grid. So price will flirt around with this resistance level, break on through, then next it'll shoot for the 70, 71. If and when price clears there, our next hurdle will be 80. So there we go. If you want to stay up to date with all our videos, make sure you subscribe. If you want to learn how to trade, make sure you check out the link for our course in this video's description. All right, have a great week trading.